Hello, welcome to our special history revision series, especially for SSC exams. Today, in this special series, we are dealing with some of the most important and expected questions which are asked in previous year SSC exams and also having a high possibility to ask in the upcoming exams. So, if you are a beginner or you don't have enough information to deal with the questions, you can go through our ancient history capsule series, which are we have having the link given below. So through this, you get an idea about all the important period, dynasties, important rulers, famous personals at that time. So when you are going through that session, you can easily answer most of the questions that we are discussing today. Okay, then we can move on to the question discussion. The first question: Harshavardhana was defeated by Prabhagara Vardhana, Pulakeshin II, Narasimhavarma Pallava, Sashanka. The answer to this question is option B, that is Pulakeshin II. We know that Harshavardhana is a post Gupta period king. He was an important king in the Pushyabhudi dynasty. He was defeated by the Pulakeshin II. So we have also discussed this in our part 1 ancient history capsule series. So you can go through that series, then you can easily answer. The second question: the Greek ambassador sent to Chandragupta Maurya's court was Kautilya, Seleucus Nicator, Megasthenes, Justin. Answer to this question is option C, that is Megasthenes. The Chandragupta Maurya was the pioneer ruler of Maurya dynasty. He was succeeded the Nanda dynasty ruler with the help of Kautilya. Megasthenes was one of a most important person at the time of Chandragupta Maurya. He was a Greek ambassador at the court of Chandragupta Maurya. So it is asked in SSC CGL 2011 exam. Moving on to the next question. Mention the place where Buddha attained enlightenment. It's a question related to Buddhism. Answers: Sarnath, Bodh Gaya, Kapilavastu, Rajagriha. Answer to this is option B, that is Bodh Gaya. It is a place in Bihar in which Buddha attained enlightenment after 49 days of meditation. There is a Mahabodhi temple associated with this belief is situated in Bodh Gaya in Bihar. So fourth question: who was the teacher of Gautama Buddha? Panini, Alara Kalama, Kapila, Patanjali. Answer to this question is option B, that is Alara Kalama. It was asked in SSC CGL exam in 2012. Moving on to the fifth question. Where did Buddha deliver his first sermon? Answers: Sarnath, Rajagriha, Kapilavastu, Bodh Gaya. The correct answer to this question is Sarnath. It is a place in UP. The first sermon means the first teaching. It was held in Sarnath. In commemoration with this, there are a lot of pillars that are built in Sanji also. The first sermon of Buddha is called Dharma Chakra Pravartana. Sixth question. Prithviraj Chauhan was defeated in the Second Battle of Tarain by Mahmud Ghazni, Muhammad Ghori, Qutbuddin Aibak, Haldus. Answer to this question is option B, that is Muhammad Ghori. As we all know, the Muhammad Ghori invaded to India, and at that time, with the help of all the Rajput families, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori first time, and later Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan with the help of the Rajput king Jaichand. So answer to this is Muhammad Ghori. It is asked in SSC CGL 2012 exam. Seventh question. What is the first sermon of Buddha called as? Mahaparinirvan Sutta, Brahma Jala Sutta, Dhammachakra Pravartana Sutta, Kachayangota Sutta. Answer to this is option C. As I am already said in the previous question that the first sermon of Buddha is called Dhammachakra Pravartana. So answer is C. Eighth question. The founder of Lodi dynasty was Bahlol Lodi, Sikandar Shah Lodi, Jalal Khan Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi. Answer to this is option A, that is Bahlol Lodi. He was the founder of Lodi dynasty, and Ibrahim Lodi and Sikandar Lodi was the important rulers at that time in Lodi dynasty. Ninth question. The Gandharva school of art is also known as Buddhist Roman art, Dravidian Roman art, Greco-Roman art, Greco-Roman Buddhist art. Answer to this question is option D, that is Greco-Roman Buddhist art. It was at the time, evolved or developed at the time of post-Maurya period. At that time, the sculptures of post-Maurya period is divided into Gandhara art and Amaravati art and also Mathura art. In this Gandhara art is influenced by the Greco-Roman art, and also it was Buddhist art sculptures also. So that is why it is known as Greco-Roman Buddhist art. 10th question. Which one of the following is not a sect of Buddhism? Mahayana, Hinayana, Digambar, Theravada. Answer to this question is option C, that is Digambar. The major sect of Buddhism were Mahayana and Hinayana. Along with that, Zen, Vajrayana and also Theravada were the subsects of these major two sects of Buddhism. But Digambar is a sect or a school in Jainism, not in Buddhism. So, 11th question. Which one of the following was the book written by Amogh Varsha, the Rashtrakuta king? Adi Purana, Ganidasara Samgraha, Saktayana, Kaviraj Marga. Answer to this is option D. It was one of the important drama at the time of ancient period, which was written by Amogh Varsha. He was a Rashtrakuta king. 12th question. Who built the Kailasanatha temple at Ellora? Answers: Rajendra I, Mahendravarman I, Krishna I and Govinda I. Answer to this question is option C, that is Krishna I. We know that Ajanta and Ellora were the famous caves that is placed at Maharashtra. Question number 13. The greatest king of the Pratihara dynasty was Bhoj, Mihir Bhoj. Danthi Durga, Nagapata 2, Valsaraj. Answer to this is option A, that is Mihir Bhoj. The Pratihara dynasty was established after the Harshavardhana dynasty, that is after the Pushyabhudi dynasty. It was one of the famous dynasty at that time. Question number 14. Harsha moved his capital from dash to dash. Answers: Tanesar to Kanuj, Delhi to Deogiri, Kamboj to Kanauj, Vallabhi to Delhi. Answer to this is option A, that is Taneshwar to Kanauj. It is asked in SSC CGL 2016. Question number 15. Collective term used by the Jains for their sacred books is Prabandhas, Agamas, Nibandhas, and Charits. Answer to this is option B, that is Agamas. It is called Agam literatures. It was divided into Agam literatures and non-Agam literatures, in which Agam literature are written in one language, but non-Agam literatures are written in many languages, and it is divided into individual texts also. But Agams are the combined text for Jainism. Upanishads are books on politics, philosophy, medicine, social life. Answer to this is option B, that is philosophy. Upanishads were the books which are majorly for to read Vedas. It is dealing with the philosophical things. Question number 17. Which king started the organization of Kumbh Fair at Allahabad? Harshavardhana, Dhruvasena II, Narasimhavarman, and Akbar. Answer to this question is option A, that is Harshavardhana. It was in his period started the Kumbh Fair, which was famous, that is in Allahabad. Question number 18. Who among the following was worshipped during early Vedic civilization? Varuna, Indra, Surya, or all of the above? Answer to this is option D, that is all of the above. After the Aryan inversion, the period is classified into early Vedic and post-Vedic period and Vedic period. The early Vedic period was a time in which the religious faiths are mainly to natural gods, that is Varuna, Indra, Surya. Indra was considered as the god of rain. So the natural elements or the beliefs to natural elements is considered made to the worship to Indra, Varuna, Surya, etc. Question number 19. Which of the following inscriptions mention the name of Kalidasa? Allahabad pillar inscription, Aihole inscription, Alapad Grant, and Hanumangoda inscription. Answer to this is option B, that is Aihole inscription. Aihole is a place in Karnataka. In there, it mentions in some of the inscriptions in Aihole mentions about Kalidasa. Question number 20. Under whose reign the Chinese traveler Fahian came into India? Answer to this question are Samudragupta, Kumaragupta I, Skandagupta, Chandragupta II. Answer to this is Chandragupta II. That is the Chandragupta II, also known as Vikramaditya. At his time, the Chinese traveler and also one of a Buddhist monk came to India, and his name is Fahian. In his book, he described about the religious, administrative, and social nature of the pupil at the time of Chandragupta II, that is Vikramaditya. So with this, today's history previous year questions for SSC is over. The most of the questions asked in previous year is also from the important rulers, important dynasties, or important personals. So to make it easy to understand or to answer most of the history questions correct, you can go through the part 1 of our ancient history capsule series and can answer these questions. You can also comment how many answers you got correct, and you can if you like our video, you can like, share, and comment, and also subscribe our channel to get further more videos in your notification. Click on the bell icon to get further updates. So subscribe our channel, and thank you.